Students, let us do question number 7, exercise 8.1. In this question, value of cot theta is given. Theta is symbol used to express an angle. Cot theta is equal to 7/8. We have to find the value of 1 plus sin theta, 1 minus sin theta divided by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. So we can easily evaluate this if we know what are the values of sin theta and cos theta. In order to find the values of sin theta and cos theta, we need perpendicular, base and hypotenuse. That is all three sides of the triangle. So let us concentrate on cot theta. Cot theta is equal to 7/8 and cot theta is base upon perpendicular. Again, let us assume let base is equal to 7k and perpendicular is equal to 8k. So according to Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse is equal to base square 7k का square, perpendicular square 8k का square, इस सारे का square root is equal to 49k square plus 64k square square root. And 49 plus 64 is 113 k square. 113 प्राइम नंबर, तो इसका स्क्वायर रूट एज इट इज आ गया और k स्क्वायर का स्क्वायर रूट आ गया k. सो हाइपोटेन्यूज इज स्क्वायर रूट 113k. नाउ लेट अस फाइंड वैल्यू ऑफ दिस एक्सप्रेशन. See, here we will learn one more thing, how to write the square, that is the power of a trigonometric ratio. We know that a plus b into a minus b is a square minus ab. So we can write it as 1 plus 1 minus sin theta square. A plus b, a minus b, 1 square minus sin theta square divided by 1 minus cos theta square. Why? Because a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Now sin theta की वैल्यू आई है हाइपोटेन्यूज 113 स्क्वायर रूट और परपेंडिकुलर 8k. Sin theta is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse is equal to square root 113k hypotenuse and perpendicular is 8k is equal to 8 upon square root 113. Similarly, value of cos theta is base upon hypotenuse is equal to base 7k upon square root 113k is equal to 7 upon square root 113. So let us find value of sin theta whole square and cos theta whole square. Sin theta whole square is equal to 8 upon square root 113 का square, 64 upon square root 113 का square आ गया 113 and cos theta whole square is equal to 7 square 49 root 113 square is 113. So in this way we have found the values of sin theta whole square and cos theta whole square. Now let us find the value of given expression. The given expression is 1 minus sin theta whole square upon 1 minus cos theta whole square. This is equal to 1 minus 64 upon 113 upon 1 minus 49 upon 113. Let us take LCM. ऊपर LCM आ गया 113 इंटू 113 माइनस 64. नीचे भी LCM आ गया 113 माइनस 49. दोनों के डिनोमिनेटर कट हो गए. नाउ 113 माइनस 64 इज इक्वल टू 113 minus 64 is equal to now 113 minus 64 is 49 and 113 minus 49 is 64. So the value of given expression is 49 upon 64.